Now pick up the first one. First one, good. Okay. Step on it. Step by. Now second one here. Second one. Good job. Now last one here. One last one. Now if a parrot can do that, so can we, alright? So keep your environment clean. Excellent. Okay, hand for two, our blue and gold. Now we have come to the end of